Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share braised pork knuckle with red fermented bean curd and lotus root. This time I used refrigerated pork knuckles to make. If it is made with fresh pork knuckle, the effect will be better. Thaw the pork knuckle first. Soak in light salt water. 2 teaspoons salt. Set aside to thaw. Peel the lotus root. The skin is rough. It is recommended to peel it off, so as not to affect eating. Soak lotus root in light salt water. It will not turn black. 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut off the head and tail of the lotus root. Depending on the size of the lotus root, cut to suitable size. This as shown in the video. Set aside. This time I will use a 4-pound trotter as a demonstration, about 1,800 grams. The ingredients are onion, ginger, shallot, garlic. The sauce has 2 pieces of red fermented bean curd and 2 tablespoons of juhu sauce. About 1 tablespoon rock sugar, thinly sliced ginger. Cut the shallots into 3 to 4 centimeters long. Crack the garlic. Crack the shallot. Wait until the pork knuckle is thawed, then you can start making. Boil water. Put the trotter in cold water. Add 2 to 3 slices of ginger, 2 to 3 shallots, 2 tablespoons Shioxing wine. Can effectively remove the smell. Skim off the scum, so as not to stick to the pig's hand and make it difficult to clean. The froth is reduced. Pick up the trotter. Clean up. Clean the wok and turn on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the ginger until fragrant. Add shallots and garlic. Then, after the garlic turns golden brown, add red fermented bean curd. Stir fry. Join trotter. Add 2 tablespoons of Shioxing wine. Stir fry evenly. Add enough water to cover the surface. Seasoning. Add a tablespoon of rock sugar, a teaspoon chicken powder, a teaspoon pepper, a teaspoon allspice powder, a tablespoon light soy sauce, a tablespoon oil. Spices include pepper, star anise, bay leaf, cinnamon, grass fruit. After boiling, cover and turn to low heat. Cook for an hour. Handle it after an hour. Has been cooking for an hour. Add lotus root. Simmer for 45 minutes. Cooked for a total of 1 hour and 45 minutes. Open the maximum fire. Boil the soup a little. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. As shown in the video, you can turn off the fire. Add spring onion. Braised pork knuckle with red fermented bean curd and lotus root. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.